Do you want to know how to make green glowing rocks that can beat Superman? If you answered yes to any of this one question, then stay till the end of the video. Okay, so we create new, we choose Hdrp template and we name it Hdrp glow because that's what we are working on as far as I remember. We hit create and we wait quite a lot because it's a big template that's importing a lot of stuff.
1 hour later.
First thing we see is this pre-made scene with a lot of assets that to me looks like this old school balance game. If you remember it, then your childhood was probably good. So there's too much stuff in the scene, so we create a very basic new one, which is the basic default built in. So we create cube, and for the mesh we choose blah 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 blah, blah rock, because we've hit rock bottom with the jokes. I make it bigger. All right, I'll rotate it a bit. Now we create material. We name it new materials. We just press enter, and then we blah 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 go blah 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 emissive color, and choose white. Yeah, why not? And also we choose the base map to red, and then we drag and drop it onto the cube, and it's reddish, right? And there's this light reflecting or whatever. So we create new empty, we name it empty. We add component, it's called volume. Type search vol and choose volume, and mode global, yes, wait, whatever. We press new here and no override, so we add override. We go post processing and we go bloom, and there in intensity there is from 0 to 1, so we go with, because 1 it's too much and we'll go just blurry, and we don't want it to go blurry. So what we do is we go 0.6.
Don't try it.
9. Get it? 6. Alright, and it looks bad, but maybe let's change the color. Green. Oh right, green rocks. What was the code? The Kryptonite. Alright, so we got Kryptonite. Fucking Kryptonite. Fuck you, Superman. Okay, so that's the effect we wanted to achieve today, excluding obviously dissing of the Superman. So if you like the video, then consider being a good citizen and maybe, just maybe, subscribing. Okay, I'll go.